Hello everyone, I'm Nico and welcome back to my channel. Today in my second video I will show you another video tutorial how you can make a bouncy bob blowout and have a red carpet look. So follow the steps and have fabulous hair. Hi guys, I'm here with my best friend Daisy. That's gonna be my model today. So I'll show you how you can do a bouncy bob blowout. I will do a demonstration. So at first, when you wash your hair, so of course I won't wash her hair because she's always clean. So I will just make it wet. And then that you have to do is basically just to dry on 80%. What normally will give you extra lifting around the top section is to dry your hair upside down. Okay, so I'll remove Daisy from my tripod and I will make a quick demonstration. So with your hair dryer, I suggest just use the medium level and full power. Okay, so just with the help of your fingers, just try to stretch the roots at the top section while you drying with your hair dryer. Let me show you. Alright, so that's the result. And don't be scared that it's a bit messy. The only purpose of what we did like a hand dryer is to create that massive body. The next step is I would suggest if you don't have to buy that kind of a sticky rollers, they don't need any extra support. They will literally stick to your hair without hair clips. And basically you just need them just to create formation at the bottom where it's like the edge of the hair. Now it's time for my quick demo how you can basically achieve that shape. So using a round brush is very important. If you have like a big round brush, that will make your job easier, like as big as possible. And simply smooth the hair. So just try it and make it smooth. Spin the brush around the edge of the hair, then roll in, bake, and that's it. Once you're ready with that, you just have to pluck your sticky roller, roll in into the hair, and then just leave it. Once you're ready, leave the hair just to cool down for about 5 minutes. Remove the rollers so you can see they create you that extra body here. Hope you can see. So remove all the rollers. And have like a white comb. Just brush it through the hair. And voila! So this is the final look of your bouncy bob blowout. It's not takes more than 20 minutes to do it, but it's really fabulous. Lots of celebrities recently they do this hairstyle, so if you fancy to try something new, the effect is really nice.